Hello, welcome to this platform. Okay, so this is an exam question which we'll try to answer. In my previous video, I showed you on how to do sine or how to use sine and cosine rule as well as finding the area. So now we try to test ourselves, okay, the level we're at, if we're able to use the methods which I showed you in my previous video. And if you have not watched the video, just press in the link or this description below. There is a link which I've put. You can just press on it and you'll be able to watch the video. Okay, so the first question here, they want us to find distance A, C. So we need to find distance A, C. So how do we find this distance A, C? So we basically need to check, actually here there's a 15 kilometers. So we need to check which method work out for us. Remember, sine rule, we use it when we have two angles and the side, or when we have two sides and the angle that is not included. Okay, so can cosine work here? No, it's not working. So what are we supposed to use? Sine rule. Okay, so we have a b, small letter b, this is small letter b here, and small letter c and a right here. So we can say the formula a over sine capital A is equal to b over sine capital B, which is equal to c over sine capital C. So now, do we have A? A we don't have, and capital A we don't have. A, small letter a, and capital A we don't have. So we are not working with this. B we have, small letter b is what we're looking for. C we have, which is 40, capital C, and small letter c is 15 right here we have. So in our formula, we are going to work with these two. We are going to work with these two, this and this. So we say from here, we say what is our b, the b here, small letter b, we'll put x is what we are looking for. And the sine b, capital B is what is 79 degrees, is equal to small letter c is 15 over sine capital letter C, which is 40 degrees. So here we can cross multiply. So we have x is equal to 15 times sine 79 degrees over sine 40 degrees. Okay, so here when we say x times sine 40, it will be x sine 40 times is equal to 15 multiplied by sine 79, which is here. So we'll come and divide by this. That's why I've just gone direct to dividing. So from this stage, we can punch on our calculator and make sure the calculator that you are working with is in degrees. So this one, 15 multiplied by sine 79. What am I getting? I'm getting 14.72440775. You say divide by sine 40. So when you divide by sine 40, you get 22.90711198. So if no instruction given, on how you're supposed to round off your work right here, you just write it in three significant figures or one decimal place, okay? One decimal place or three significant figures. So this is actually, it is in kilometers. So how did I know that it's in kilometers? Even on the diagram, it's showing right here that it is in kilometers. So it's 29.9 kilometers. So this is how you find the distance. So we found our distance right here. Our next thing now is to find the area. So the question reads, find the area of triangle ABC. So ABC. So now here we have to be very careful. So we can indicate. Let me clean up and indicate what I've found here. So this distance is 22.9 kilometers. Okay, it's the distance which is right here. Now to find the area, okay, remember when finding the area, you must use the formula right here. This is the formula we use for finding area. Okay, so uh, here the angle which must be here must be included. So if you don't know what it means included, you can watch my video. Like I said earlier on, my previous video on how to use sine and cosine rule, I talked about the included angle. So when you have an angle here, the angle which is right here will say it is included because we have this side and this side, it's included. This angle is not included. Why? Because we only have this side, we don't have this side. So the angle is not included. This here, we have, we don't have the angle which is this side. So it means this angle is not included. We only have one side, we don't have the other side. So now to find the area, we must use the angle that is included. Okay, the angle which is included. Okay, so now they want us to find this. Okay, this right here, to find the area using this angle. Okay, because they have said angle or area of angle triangle ABC. So the key angle is right here. So with area, it doesn't matter. You can use whichever angle you have for as long as that angle is included. So I'm not going to use this angle. Why am I not going to use this angle? If I want to use this angle, I need to find this side. I need to find this side so that I use this side, the angle and the side. Okay. So now, uh, it will take time for me to find this side. Since I have these two sides, and the angles inside, why can't I just this angle so that I find this angle so that I use the side, angle, and the side? Yes, this seems to be easier. So let me find the angle which is right here. I know that this is a triangle, and we know that angles inside the triangle add up to 180 degrees. So I'll say minus 79 degrees plus 40 degrees. Okay, you see? So I've gotten this plus this minus 180 so that I get the angle which is here. So I'll say 180, okay, 180 minus 79 degrees plus there 40 degrees. Remember, I'm putting this inside the brackets to show that I need to sum these up, and then I subtract their answer from 180. I'm getting a 61. So this angle right here is 61 degrees. I have a 61 degrees. So I'll be able now to find the area by just doing this. And my B can be this one or this one. It's okay for as long as the angle I'm going to use here is included. So I'll just get these values here. So it will be 15 times 29.9 times the sine 61 degrees. Okay, the angle is included. Okay, I've used here. If you want to use 79 degrees, you need to find this side so that you just say this and this. You see where I'm multiplying here? You need the two sides, and the included angle. So if you're using this and this side, you need to find this because it's missing. BC, we don't have, it's missing. You need to find it. So once you do so, you can multiply there. What am I getting? 15 times 22.9 times the sine 61. I'm getting a 300, okay, 0.431869, okay, 4. Then say divide by 2. You divide by 2. It's very important you don't round off here. Don't round off, okay? Just write it the way it is. You only round off the final answer, okay? So when I say divide by 2, what am I getting? I'm getting 1.150.2159347. So if you don't know how to round off, it's better you just write it like this. And if you know how to round off, mostly we put our answers in three significant figures, or depending on the instructions that you've been given. So three significant figures, it will just be this one here. So this is my area right here. So now I've found the area. Now we find the shortest distance. So to find the shortest distance from B to AC. So meaning we want to find this. We want to find this. So how do we find it? Okay, how do we find it? Um, to find the shortest distance, you need the area. Remember, I found my area here as 150 kilometer squared. This is the area. I found the area of this triangle. It's very important. So once you find that area, you come and use the formula for finding a right angled triangle area. Okay, area for the right angled triangle. So you just say area is equal to 1 over 2b times h. So here on area, we know that the area of a triangle is what? Is 150. So we'll write 150 over 2 times uh, the distance. You see, or the side which is being touched. You see, it's passing like this. So the side which is being touched from B to AC. So AC is the distance that we need, which is 22.9. and h times h. So we work out things. When we cross multiply this, we'll get a 300 is equal to 22.9h. If you want, you can divide right here. You divide 2 into 22.9. It's fine. If you want, you can cross multiply. And then you come and divide like this. So here we'll remain with h. What is our h there? So we say 300 divide by 22.9. What are we getting? 13.10043668. If you want, you can round it off to 13.1 kilometers. This is the shortest distance. All right, so let's check out now the other exam question where you're expected to use the cosine rule, where you're expected to use cosine rule. For the next question here, we've been asked to find the area of triangle THS. So THS. So we need to find the area. The formula for finding area is just the same. Area is equal to 1 over 2 BC sine A. Provided you are dealing with a non-right angle triangle, the formula for finding area is just the same. Okay. Now for area, you must get an angle that is included. So in this case, 130 is included. Okay. So how do we know that it's included? It's right here, and we've got the side this side and the side right here. So this angle is included. So these sides, we can treat this as our B and the other one as our C. It's fine. So just plug in the values. We have something like this times 1.9 times 1.3 times sine what? Sine 130 degrees. So this is what we have. We can punch on our calculator. We punch on our calculator. We say 1 times 1.9, okay, times 1.3 times sine 130 degrees. What are we getting? We're getting 1.8921297775. So this is the value you're getting, divide by 2. So just say divide by 2. And what are we getting? We're getting 0.946064887. Okay, so we can say 0.946 kilometers, okay, squared. This is the answer, okay? So we have answered question 1. The area is very important. Let me put it here. Area is equal to 0.94946 kilometers squared. All right, so we found that the area for this triangle. The next question, they want us to find the distance, okay? They want us to find the distance TS right here. So we're finding the distance TS. Now for us to find distance, it's either we use sine or cosine rule. Now which one is working for this one? Is it sine rule or cosine rule? When I look at it nicely, sine is not working. It's a cosine rule. Because cosine rule, there is a point which says you use cosine rule when you have got an angle that is included. This angle is included. We have an angle here and the sides. So it's included. So the formula for cosine rule, it's right here. This is the formula. So this is the formula. Okay. So our idea here will be to relabel. Okay. We can use these letters if you want, but if you don't want to get confused, you can change the letters. Okay. So I always encourage people, if you're dealing with a triangle that is has got an angle that is included, start with your A, where an angle that you are going to put here is. Start with this capital letter A. So this will be my capital letter A. Okay. Let me see if I can use a different color. Okay, I'm going to use blue. So this will be my capital letter A. Right here, I can put B, here, capital letter C. It's okay. You can change the letters. It's fine. But your key should be this, A. Okay? So if this is my capital A, my small letter A will be here, small letter B will be right here, small letter C will be here. Okay? Now, since we've labeled, we can now start plugging. What is my small letter A? I don't know. I'm going to put letter X. Okay? This is what I'm looking for. Okay, I know that this is my capital B, this side here. I can put any letter, or if you want, you can put A squared. If you want, you can put X squared, but I like putting X. X squared, which is equal to my small letter B is right here, is 1.9. My small letter C is right here, 1.3 squared. Here 2, 1.9, 1.3. 1.3 times cos what? Cos 130 degrees. So this is 130 cos C, 130 capital letter A is 130, 130. So when we work out things, we punch on our calculator 1.9 squared plus 1.3 squared. We're getting 5.3. So x squared is equal to 5.3 minus, when we punch right here, so 2 times 1.9 times 1.3. What am I getting? I'm getting 5.1 times cos what? Cos 130 degrees. I'm getting a negative 3.278 216809. So this is what I am getting here. So let me just confirm if this is true. 2 times 1.9 times 1.3 times cos 130. Yeah, this is what I'm getting. So once you get this stuff, you can add, or you multiply. You have a negative and a negative. You have 5.3 plus 3.27 8216809. X squared is equal to, let me see what I'm getting when I add these. I'm getting 8.475370792. So this is what I'm getting when I add here. So next will be to find the square root, okay? Because of this power here. So you find the square root. So here you remain with the x. What is the square root? It's 2.911249009. This is what we are getting. And finally, you can put it in 3 significant figures. So this is the answer. So we have found the distance here. It's 2.91 kilometers. All right, so our next question reads, find the shortest distance from H to TS. Okay, so where is our H is right here, TS is here. So we need to find this distance, the shortest distance here. Okay, so still we are going to use the formula for finding area of the right angled triangle, which is right here. So the area we found is 0.946, which is equal to this. And on B, we put the distance here from T to S, which is 2.91, okay? Times H, times the height. So here we can cross multiply if you want. 0.946 times 2, we are getting 1.892, which is equal to 2.91 H. We divide by 2.91, 2.91. This and this will cancel, remain with H. And we divide this side, 2.9, it is giving us 0. Just write it like this. H is equal to 0.650171821, or H is equal to 0.65 kilometers. So this is the shortest distance. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like my page, and follow me on Facebook using the same name, Jacob Sichamba. Jacob Sichamba. Mathematics online, okay? Or math, or online math. So this is the name I use on my Facebook page and YouTube channel. And to those who'd like to do online tuitions with me, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, +26 0969 17 57 01. So this is my WhatsApp number. This is the number you get in touch